YouTube, many of you have asked us how to install a red dot using an adapter plate. So today we're showing a step-by-step to this very DIY friendly option. In this example, we have an Outerimpact adapter, holosun 507C, and a Glock 17. The first thing we're going to do is check out the Outerimpact pattern guide and find the holosun 507C pattern. Now I want to see what the dot will look like before I actually install it on the Glock slide. So I'm going to test fit it. I'm going to do that to ensure that the screws don't poke out underneath and potentially scratch the slide. So I'll line up the pins in the proper pattern based on the diagram we just saw and tighten the screws without blue Loctite this time. Quick check underneath confirms nothing is poking out, which is great. So I'll just undo everything I just set up. To install the adapter onto the slide, you'll first need a way to remove the rear sights. In this case, I'm using a sight removal tool. Make sure the block pushing the rear sights is above the slide so you don't scratch it. This one had a little hole on the side to verify that it was good. Next step is to install the dovetail. Literally push it through the opening and align it until it's centered. When you put the Outerimpact adapter plate onto the slide, you'll have to put a bit of pressure onto it and then you'll hear it click. Next, making sure blue Loctite is applied, you apply the two screws that attach to the dovetail. These need to be tightened to 25 inch-pounds. But first we'll start by tightening them evenly to 15 inch-pounds, then tighten to 20 inch-pounds, and finally 25. This is what the slide adapter looks like attached to the slide. The adapter is slightly larger than the frame, which is something to take notice of, but I've seen other adapters do the same thing. It's no big deal for me because the adapter plate allows for many different red dots to be installed, and I'm using this to show off more red dots in future videos. So we'll insert the alignment pins again like we did on the test fit, and then slide the 507C and obviously screw it in. And this is what it looks like installed on the slide. Overall, holosun's 507C is the perfect optic for this Glock. It has holosun's shake awake feature, which turns on as soon as I pick it up. It also has holosun's solar failsafe dual power system. It also has a couple of other cool features like auto adjusting brightness and then a multi-reticle system as well. The multi-reticle system lets you toggle between a 32 MOA circle plus 2 MOA dot, a 2 MOA dot, or just a 32 MOA circle in that order. In the comments, we want to hear your thoughts on adapter plates, if you used them before, if you like them, if you don't like them, what brands you've used, and then in addition to that, any other red dots you want to see on this YouTube channel. If you're looking for more information on the holosun 507C, mounting plates, or red dots in general, check out freedomgorilla.com.